So now we can try and remember what the heck we were doing last time. I say as I head towards the objective.
Ah, damn it. I can tell you what we were doing last time. We were going to Crisis Scar after I lost all the footage I made.
Rip.
No deadlift battle, no posters, no inspiration. Gone!
That kind of sucks. Because you want to hear what I named the deadlift battle?
What?
I just called it Dead Lift.
Yeah, totally original.
Yep. I don't think anyone's ever thought of that one.
Bubbles and birds, bubbles and birds. Hey, lady. Hey, whoa, what are you doing? What are you doing in here? Nice overalls.
Damn, Moxie.
The hell do you want? Town's on
You
lockdown.
gonna
I need to
be
get
my
out.
thumbnail? What you
have
mean? What I want?
I know a way out, but I ain't.
Hi, screenshot.
F12.
Sorry. I hereby promise not to tell people the slutty clown is also a slutty mechanic. Great, because if you spin,
Quit moving.
someone would have to bury you alive in a shallow grave.
I need
Scooter's dead.
photography.
She backs away slowly.
I'll get my pictures. Damn, the jiggle physics.
I did not expect her to back away when I said that. Oh, that was great. I'm assuming this game doesn't have the hide HUD. Nope.
Hold on.
Feels bad. Give
Nah, I took
quest.
like 5 pictures.
Fair enough.
That's the way out of here. Hope you find that signal, and remember, shallow grave.
Yay,
I
love
like
a
her.
shallow grave. Nice. Call this the fan service episode. Look at them chi-chis.
I knew you were going to say something.
Yeah. Come on, Candace. I have to.
Yeah. That's why I just stopped and looked at you, because I was like, he's gonna say something, isn't he?
It's the service we have to offer.
I mean, just so long as she keeps her boots on.
Sorry, people of Elpis. This is the only way.
Nah, we need feet pics next.
And that's why I wanted to keep her boots on.
Laser go burr.
Whoa, how did they know about...
Literally.
Yeah, I'll get back to you.
What just happened? The whole ruddy moon shook.
360.
Eggman did it better.
What?
Yeah, so, not good. Sarpedon's troops have taken control of the...
Yeah, forget Sonic the Hedgehog.
It's
Eggman
a
blows
big
up the
freaking
moon.
laser in the
Well,
heart of the
half
space
of the
station.
moon.
She's targeting the moon's core. Try not to panic, but, she's trying to blow up Elpis.
Check back later to see my new...
Is this seriously another inflammable shield?
Well, let me see if you see any
Better than mine.
corrosive immunities.
118 to 110. Faster recharge, but nah. Why are there so many inflammable shields all of a sudden?
Alright. Don't want the moon. We want the missiles. Always the
Nah.
missiles. And...
Yeah, side quest.
No, not lunar. Where's it now?
I'm Sybil, leader of the
Pastel
Liberation Front of Concordia.
pain.
We're
Yeah.
Mother Nature's little helpers, and there's a species on the brink of extinction in desperate need of rescue. I'm sending a set of coordinates to your Echo. I'll
Oh,
lay things
God.
out properly when you get there.
I just bought a sniper rifle.
Let's see.
And there's a slightly better sniper rifle in the shop.
Yeah.
Thank you too, game. Oh, I forgot to do my old shield.
Haven't found anything good? My weapon machines will fix that for you.
I was about to hop into the vehicle, then I remembered you're the one who's driving.
What's that supposed to mean? You're the reckless driver here.
Is this the one who drove off a cliff earlier?
I got no proof of that.
Don't worry, I'll post it later for all to see.
Woo! Sweet jumps. Can't drive for shit.
Yep, level 7. Yeah, look at that nerd using a laser buggy. Who does that?
Oh shit! I did a sweet 360.
But that guy lived for a second. I was like, what? Oh. Can't do it myself. Ah!
What?
I could have sworn I just saw a badass. I think there was a badass driving that buggy. But since he died in the buggy, it didn't actually count. Well, let's go be hippies, Danny.
Ah, I found boost. I found the boost key, Camden.
Yep.
Oh,
shit! Did you live?
No, I almost did. I almost.
I caught the
Keyword.
ledge.
Almost. I did say I found the boost.
Yeah, I like how we were both just boosting towards that. Then there was the cliff. I just barely hugged the edge.
I missed it by like a foot.
Oh, look up. I was like, who dinged? Oh, that's you. Totally wasn't trying to kill you. Don't worry.
Cannon, I'll always try to kill you. And you have my guarantee.
Fair enough.
What about the man you
Oh,
know now? Who is Wilhelm the Enforcer? What drives him? What are his likes, his dislikes? Please give me an answer which does not include the word fights. I like steak and robots.
That it?
Yeah, that's it.
Alright. Good to know. Let's get this man a steak. And I'm already a robot, so. Where'd you go?
Up top.
Why?
Because we have to help the hippies.
No, we don't. We could murder the hippies.
Yeah, but she's paying.
Nope, can't see me.
I just looked back and I was like, why is he circling me?
You can't see me.
I never heard of them, but they sound divine. And their natural habitat is being wrecked by horrible corporate sludge.
Sure thing,
We
John
need to put a
Cena.
stop to the pollution, and time's running out. This used to be a Dahl refinery. Before the crackling. Some filthy scavengers have moved in.
Thank
Show
goodness.
them
I was about to be embarrassed because I thought I missed a midget's head. Ow. How could you?
Hey. Oh, it's a badass. Yeah, take that.
Oh, that's your minion.
What?
Screams of the dying tells me I'm making a real difference.
See? This is a good hippie. What?
Annie Swan, dark contractor for keeping spotless cleaners. If Mum could see me now. Still, cash is short. Emily's sicker than ever and the universe isn't overflowing with free medical care. Still, picking up after Darl's fittest and finest lets me sniff out some juicy nuggets of camp gossip. Beats reading a book. Someone's out there though. I can feel eyes on me. Have I got a stalker?
There's the gun, which you need, what was it, 100 badass points for?
No clue.
We can check, but who cares? There's a shit gun anyways. I genuinely think that was the most disappointing thing in this game. Oh, that's not you.
What?
I thought you were behind me, but it was a fucking enemy.
Tried meleeing, but I crouched.
Those are very different buttons, Denny.
Huh?
Those are very different buttons.
Yeah, but they're right next to each other.
You like meleeing with heckin' V?
Huh?
You like meleeing with V?
It's just what they had it as.
Yep. That is a very interesting choice.
It's not my choice, it's what they said it as.
Yeah, I didn't say it was your choice. I said it's an interesting choice. Huh? Oh, did you just anarchy me?
Yes.
God damn it, I'm fighting his badass with a sniper!
What happened?
I was in a sniper battle with a badass and you did that.
But what was wrong with that?
You decreased my accuracy to nothing. How could you?
Well, if
It's
it
a
makes you feel
sniper,
better, it
Danny.
wasn't a choice.
It's a sniper.
That's what it picked, man.
Oh, I apparently got lit up. Oh, another badass?
Only the best for the business brigade.
But our gear is shit.
Your gear's shit. Oh shit, I'm down. They're both badasses, I can't kill them.
Yeah. Don't worry, I'm totally not using you as a shield.
You probably were.
I was, but not a human shield. You're a robot.
Oh god, no.
Oh,
I'm a badass.
what a
I'm the
melee
best type of badass.
Fine. Whip to death.
I'm the immortal Krieg.
Yeah, but it affects me too, Danny.
Immortal Krieg.
I just have a whip.
It gave me a buzzsaw. These guns are trash. Oh wait, we gotta follow the line.
Meteor.
sure what to think of this
Aquila.
crazy universe. I didn't end up mentioning my little
Wow,
alien
I
friend to
can't go out
Captain
there.
Scott. Money's tighter than ever, and Emily's skin and bone, though I know Nina's trying her best. Then last night, after lights out, it appeared, looming over me. I near had to clean up after myself. It only said 6 words. She will
Oh, too
live.
far.
Leave this moon.
Alright. Secret cave should be open.
Nah, you took out the wire.
The wire.
The fuse box or whatever.
The wire. Ooh, chest. Doing good. Grenade
It's like
box.
grenade. I mean, I'll take this one. It apparently makes O2 canisters drop. What is the grenade button? G? Yep. G.
Get all that loot.
Let's see.
Okay.
Keybinds. Put that back to C.
No oxygen.
Turn grenade to that. Okay. I just rekeyed the grenades.
Ah, okay. Oh, there's a moonstone over here.
I love this place.
Oh, I wanted to kill the thrown gun. I have no idea what he just said, but it sounded like chicken monkeys.
What?
I have no idea what he said, but it sounded like chicken monkeys. Oh, chest.
Okay.
You like chicken monkeys?
You like jazz?
You know what? This'll work.
Ow.
Oh, more moonstone.
Awesome.
That should be our objective right down there, but...
That's what it's all about.
Is it
The
badass?
badass
Where?
midget.
Help! Somebody jam it into your vein.
Oh, so it is. This is... I forgot the Hyperion fire rate. The spawn's shooting me, you bastard.
Oh, another badass. Oh.
Oh, what's that? No, whoops. Here's a car skin. Yep, neon venom. I'll spawn one of those next time. I don't want to watch you go. You're weird. Whoops. Totally didn't just throw a grenade because I forgot that I rekeyed that button just now.
Oh, we don't have this quest.
Yeah, but there's a chest here.
I fell down.
Oh, Oskits. All kind of shit. Ice slam damage, huh? But it's less than mine. These are all kind of garbage. I'm gonna grind them.
Yeah, all that's garbage, my guy.
Oh right, grinders aren't unlocked yet, are they? Damn. Or is that one just broken? Oh well.
Oh, please don't run out right there.
Oh, there's more than one button. You'll have to input the correct sequence to shut off the flow. A smart vault hunter like you shouldn't find that too hard.
Sure, let's go. This
I
one,
think this one was.
this one,
No.
this one, this one. Back to this one. Back to that one.
Yeah, I think you actually got it. They're all lit up.
Of course I actually got it.
Wait. Oh, maybe you have to turn them all off.
Oh, turn them all on.
I have no idea.
What are you doing? Turn the pumps off. I'm trying to save the cuties, not drown them in more effluents.
I'm trying to drown them.
There we go.
These things fucking suck.
Good work. Now the slime is gone, cuties are free to emerge and frolic with abandon. Navigate that disgusting waste and go save the cuties.
I don't want.
Don't worry,
What a
it'll get better.
mess. Someone should really clear that up. Goodness, what on earth are those? I don't like them. Ugh, they're not cute at all. Kill them, will you? Kill them all.
No, you made your bed. Now you're lying. Yeah. Oh God.
I just used my skill, Daddy.
Big is enough container.
I don't wanna fight with V.
That one's even more disgusting than the smaller ones. Kill it. Hack it to pieces. Shred it with bullets. Kill. 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 Kill.
Oh, I'm down.
Don't stop shooting!
Well, another productive day for the Liberation Front of Concordia. Nature triumphs once more. And if I've learned anything, it's that nature always wins. Come back and I'll pay you for your valuable work.
That was awful.
It was.
Why'd you make us do that?
Guess we get paid.
Not very good.
Yeah. I mean, everything's garbage at this level. Don't worry. This'll cheer us up.
Good memory.
Get a load of this psychopath.
Don't worry, I totally didn't choose this character purely for that.
I know. No dollar bill left on. Unless it's in a box, because then I don't know if it's a dollar bill or not.
Make me one with the light?
Oh. Oh, hit chest. Not a good one, but still a chest.
Yep. That one's an ammo box. Grab some air. How'd you get over there again? I don't remember.
Ow. Cold. Ow. Cold. Try Oh god, I got 3 health.
What? What'd you do?
Hit the snow plant.
Ah. Ah, invisible walls. I don't feel like we can make this jump.
I'll be the test dummy. Out of the way.
Sure.
Ah, the wall! The wall!
Wait, there's an invisible wall.
Yeah.
That's
But hold on.
hilarious.
I just gotta jump from a different angle. Then I probably miss it.
Go for it. I'm gonna grab some oxygen.
Okay. Here we go.
You got this.
Go, 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 go. And I made it, bitch!
Nice.
The loot is mine, and they're shitty sniper rifles.
What's the damage on him?
57 and 45.
Wow, that's trash. Alright, let's go.
50% melee, 50% melee.
Wait, why?
What's in here?
Oh, okay, they have the...
Oh, you guys got skulls on your head. You guys are level 10.
Oh. Okay, in that case I'll head over.
I already came back.
Oh. Ah, cold.
It followed! It followed!
It's a blowfly.
The level 10 blowfly.
Ah,
Yeah.
cold. I wasn't even in range of that one.
You kinda were.
It's fine. Apparently that was a badass rank.
No car?
Car's down here.
My screen. They took away car.
You have to spawn car.
Get styled upon. They can't stop all our missiles.
Ding. Yeah.
You hit me.
Wow.
You got a Karen for a driver, man.
That was great. I genuinely did not know she said that.
Alright.
Let's see, is this a good place to jump over? I don't want to end up like Danny.
Next time I'll take you with me.
And that's why I don't get in your car. Oh shit. Wait, what? I don't even know what just happened there.
I hope you ended up like me.
I didn't.
Let's move into later years, puberty, the teenage years. A difficult time for anyone, perhaps more difficult for you, yes? Coming from a violent childhood, a broken home, possessing little intelligence. Tell me, how did you
Wow.
with your peers? Take me inside your mind. When I was a teenager, I was good at fights.
Okay.
I like how we just called Wilhelm stupid.
Huh?
I like how we just called Wilhelm stupid and they didn't say anything about it.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Parked on the side of the wall.
Yeah.
Great work. We both hit the karma jackpot out there.
You can't use either of this shit.
I guess I'll